Hello everyone, how are you today? Meet again with Miss Sally in Indonesian reaction channel. I hope you are good guys, always happy, stay active and keep enjoying this video. And thank you for all the suggestion and comment, and I will react to the video you suggest me, but this time I will react to a song from the Velo sound station sung by Atif Aslam, and title is Kadi Tehan. Kadi Tehans. That time I react to a video from Coke Studio. Now we will still look at this one because this song is famous and now it's popular and many people react to this video, and I won't try to react to it. But don't forget to see the original video on the description link, and don't forget to subscribe too. Time to see together. Let's watch it. Wow.
सारे रास्ते जाने लगे तेरी ओर, दूर जितना भी जाए
Wow.
दिल चाहे तुझे तुझे मिले
Thick glasses.
रहना नहीं मैं बिन तेरे जेड़े भी साडे विछोड़े पए भुल जा सारे मेरे कोलों लुकाया ना कर अंज मैनू तू सताया ना कर अज सारे दुख सुख बोल वे कदी ते हस बोल वे ना
Dancing.
कदी ते हस बोल वे ना जिंद साडी रोल वे आजा दिल जानिया
Wow, his style. Lots of people dancing. Oh, wow.
सारे चांद सितारे तेरी राह पे रख दिए
Oh,
भूल के
this song like pop, but like jazz also. Wow, the light is beautiful.
कोई प्यारा नहीं करदा है गल्ला हर कोई हूँ तेरे बारे झूठा नहीं मैं सुनते सही पढ़ा नहीं दिल देते सही ना है मेरा मां बिच रोल वे कदी ते हंस
Wow, I like his style.
कदी ते हंस
Wow, wow, drummer is cool. Wow. Wow, the guitar very cool. Wow. Woo. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Ooh, very nice style. Wow. Like I want dancing. Oh, wow. Amazing. Wow. I like his singing style, especially he raised the mic and his body na, 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 na. Mhm. And the song no make me bored. It feel like a one dancing also. Mm, 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 mm. I like this song. This amazing because all blue. uh, the singer wear also clothes also blue, the musician also wear blue clothes, the studio is blue, and light is very beautiful. And what the hairstyle so cool. The hairstyle so cool, and clothes also very nice, all blue, my favorite color. And by the way, I don't know what meaning the title. What the title? Kadi Kadi. So guys, please tell me what mean the title. So let me know what meaning the title. So please comment in below. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you for support and comment, and still suggesting a good video for my next video. And don't forget to share it on social media and to your friend and family. See you in my next reaction video. Bye.